In 2023, I was just playing with AI. Now, in 2025, I'm using it to build real businesses, from content creation to sales processes. And I'm showing you how you can too. Let's go.
So a few days ago, I wanted to work on a project and I needed to work on the UI UX myself. So I worked with ChatGPT, Stitch, and Figma to get the UI UX. So this is the prototype of the product I'm working on. So I and this is to inform you, I don't have any strong experience in UI UX. I've just tried it maybe once in 2020, and I just wanted to see what UI UX entails. And so this is me going around the application, all generated by AI. So I worked with AI specifically. I worked with ChatGPT to bring my ideas to life, and I copied it and I went to Google Stitch, and then from there I ran through it. Then I copied it to Figma and I just linked the pages with one another, and we have this masterpiece. So in case you want me to do a full tutorial on this, you can comment below. Thank you.